your book, save it by yourself. Save your book, save it by yourself.
So, how to make a paste? I need to take a tablespoon of flour, and a half a glass of a cold water. I pour half of the water amount into the flour and mix carefully until all the lumps disappear. The remaining water I boil in the pot and pour there the dough while stirring intensively until ready. I cool the paste down, pour in the dough, close tightly, and store in a refrigerator no longer than 1 week. I use the paste for gluing of torn pages with tissue paper or a newspaper felts. Thank you.
Save your book, save it by yourself. Save your book, save it by yourself.